Hello everyone. Have you ever formatted a hard drive and wondered if you could still recover the data? Today, I'll show you how to retrieve deleted files from a formatted hard drive. For this demo, I'll connect a USB drive to my computer, which currently has a few files, images, a PDF, and a Word document. As you can see, everything is intact. Step 1. Format the drive. First, let's format this drive. I'll right-click on it, choose Format, check Quick Format, and then click Start. Now, the drive is formatted, and all the files are deleted. Step 2. Download and install Recuva. Now, we'll download a free recovery tool called Recuva. Open your browser, search for Recuva, and go to the download page. You'll find both free and paid options. For this tutorial, we'll use the free version. Click Free Download, and then install it on your device. Step 3. Recover the files. Open Recuva and click Next. Select the type of files you want to recover, such as photos, documents, music, videos, compressed files, or emails. For this demo, I'll select All Files. Next, choose the drive or folder you want to scan. You'll see an option for a deep scan, but we'll skip that for now. Click Next to start the scan. Depending on your drive size, this may take a while. When it's done, Recuva will display the deleted files it found. Select a recovery folder, then click OK to recover the files. Interestingly, Recuva found additional files that were deleted months ago, not just the files we formatted. This tool can sometimes recover files from previous deletions as well. Step 4. Check the recovered files. After recovery, open the files to make sure they work. As you can see, the images, PDF, and Word document have all been successfully restored and open without issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.